Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great, and I want to know if my videos are helping you get some kind of clarity or insights or information. So please keep letting me know in the comments below so that I can keep making more and more videos for you all. And also, if you have any questions, please ask me below, because most of my time I'm spending right now on YouTube channel, so I keep answering a lot of your questions. And today we are going to talk about top 20 universities for masters in finance in the whole world. So if you are a student who wants to make a career in the field of finance, then watch this video till the end, because I'm sharing 20 universities from all over the world with tuition fees and what kind of clubs or societies do they have to help the students, so that it gives you a lot of clarity whether you want to apply to that university or not. So let's get started. So the first university is ESCP, which is in Paris, France, and they are offering Masters of Science with a major in finance. Their total tuition fees is 30,900 euros, and they have multiple clubs and society for the finance students, but this one specific club which is very good is ESCP Finance Society, which is the oldest and the longest run by the students of the universities. And the mission of the ESCP Finance Society is that they want to help more and more finance students to break into the finance industry, help with the careers, help with the networking, help with getting the industry exposure as well, and also lastly helping with the internships as well. The next school is HEC Paris in France, and they are offering masters in international finance. Their total program fees is 43,000 euros annually. They have two clubs that is specific dedicated to the finance. One is MBA in a finance club and another is a normal finance club. On number 3 is Schema Business School. They are offering MSc in financial markets and investments. Their tuition fees is 27,000 euros and it is a 1-year program, so that's just your entire tuition fees. And they have an active association network wherein many companies come on campus to interact with the students, and they have a Schema Alumni Finance Club as well. So whosoever have studied from that school and have been working in the finance industry, they are the part of this club, so you get an opportunity to interact with them and see if there is any opportunity in their organization wherein you can land an internship or an entry-level job. Next is Tsinghua University of Economics and Management, which is in China, and they are offering MSc in finance. Their total fees is 1,98,000 Chinese yuan, which comes to approximately 23 lakhs. They have two kind of different clubs. One is based on the finance industry and one is based on specific investment area. So if you are someone who wants to go into investment banking, this can be a great option for you, although there can be a language barrier. Next is EDHSC, which is in Paris, France. They are offering multiple courses in the field of finance. So for example, MSc in finance, MSc in accounting and finance, MSc in financial engineering. All of these courses comes into the top 20 in the world. So you will get a lot of options to choose from. And their program fees is 30,400 euros. They have a club called Finance Society, wherein you can connect with the businesses, and they also help in recruiting in the finance field as well. Next is Noah School of Business and Economics. Their program is MSc in finance. Their total tuition fee is 13,500 euros. They have two different kind of clubs. The one is Learning and Research Club. Another is Nova SBE Financial Knowledge Center, which helps students take up financial projects, learn new trends in finance, and gain some practical exposure as well. So through these activities, they make you job ready for the future. Next is Shanghai Advanced Institute of Finance, which is in China. They are offering masters in finance. Their total program fees is 1,88,000 Chinese yen. They have a finance club wherein students get together and brainstorm about the finance job opportunities and share the knowledge of finance from all across the world. Next is University of Oxford. They are offering MSc in Financial Economics, which costs around 59,360 pounds. So that's very expensive program. But of course, if you get into Oxford, there will be plenty of career opportunities for you all. And they are offering two special clubs. One is FinTech Club, another is the Social Finance Club, which brings together like-minded people to focus on interaction, skills building, industry knowledge, and exploring career paths that impact the financial job. Next is London Business School, which is in UK, and they are offering masters in finance, and the cost of the entire program is 65,000 pounds. Their finance club is one of the largest finance club on campus. They keep on hosting a full schedule of networking events, career fairs to help everyone, those who are not from the finance background, because this thing can be a breakthrough for them. Next is University of St. Gallen, which is in Switzerland. They are offering masters in banking and finance, and the whole program costs 28,000 CHF. And they just have one club, which is the alumni club, but apart from that, they don't have anything specific to finance club. Next is IE Business School, which is again in France. They are offering Masters of Finance, and their total tuition fees is 41,000 euros. They are offering Finance and Capital Market Club. They started this club so that the students can exchange the ideas about the financial market, capital market, at the same time provide exposure to external speakers who are actually working in the finance industry. Next is Peking University in China, and they are offering Masters of Finance with a combination of Masters in Finance Innovation and Masters in Finance Business Analytics. So these are very unique programs. I would recommend that you go through the curriculum. If this is something that is providing you with what you need, then it's a good option to consider. And their tuition fees is above 1,50,000 Chinese yuan. Next is ISAID Business School, which is in Spain, and they are offering Masters of Finance. Their total tuition fees is 37,500 euros, and they are offering a finance club which is very unique, because in this finance club, top industry speakers will come to interact with you, and you get an opportunity to pitch to them that why you should be hired. You can also enhance your skills by participating in exclusive partnerships with Wall Street OSIS and Amplify Me. They also provide an opportunity to attend the Finance Summit. Next is Limlion Business School. They are offering Masters of Finance, and the total program fees is 28,750 euros. They don't have many clubs, but they do offer student association that bring students together to interact with each other. Next is Católica Lisbon School of Business and Economics. They are providing Masters of Finance, and the total program fees is 17,800 euros. They also don't have many finance related clubs, just the student association. Next is Imperial College Business School. They are offering Masters of Finance, and their total program fees is about 47,000 pounds. They have a private equity and venture capital club, financial technology club. These clubs provide students an opportunity to combine the finance related knowledge, develop the trending skills, and encouraging them to explore career opportunities in London. Next is SDA Bocconi University, which is in Italy. They are offering Masters of Finance, and their total program fees is about 36,000 euros. They have a finance club which is aimed at providing training to the students, gain new knowledge, and help develop a career in the field of finance. Next is Warwick Business School, offering MSc in Finance, and their approximate fees is 43,000 pounds. And Warwick Finance Society is the only society from where you can regularly learn from the working professionals and participate in their exclusive events with their leading network of sponsors and partners. Next is Otto Basham School of Management. They're offering Masters in Finance and costs about 39,600 euros, and they have a campus for finance club wherein students get together to interact and exchange the ideas. And the last one is ESSEC Paris, offering Masters in Finance, and their total program fees is 31,500 euros. Student-led organizations are available for the finance students for networking in finance and exchanging the knowledge beyond the classroom. So for all of these universities, I will add the link below from where I have found the top 20 universities. So in case if you want more options, you can just scroll through the list and you will get plenty of options, but I wanted to recommend these 20 universities to you all. So yes, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also ask your questions in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.